Today we're having dinner at restaurant Surt. It's located right next to the elephants. In fact, the address is Bag Elefanterna, which translates to behind the elephants. Pizzaiolo Giuseppe Oliva helped Christian Puglisi open Based in 2013, where he was part of developing the pizza recipe. Then in 2019, he decided to branch out on his own and open his own restaurant.
My name is Giuseppe Oliva, and this is Restaurant Surt. My father is a baker. He have a bakery in Italy. I grew up helping my father at the bakery. But Surt in the Scandinavian mythology is a god. It's a god of fire. Surt, I think it's also a perfect name because we make sourdough pizza. So from suadai, sourdough. The dough it's made with 5 different varieties of flour from a small mill in Sicily, and they ferment for about 30-34 hours. The core of Surt, of course, is our wood-fired oven, and crafted, covered with those nice tiles from Italy, where we bake our pizza for about a minute at 500 degrees.
For lunch, he also serves a Sir pie. The dough is fermented twice as long, almost 70 hours, so it has a more distinct sour flavor, and it's thicker because it's baked in a pan right on top of the burning embers in the fire. So it's really hot in there. It's cooked in this pan and it gets like thick like a pie.
We have 6 pizzas on the menu, 3 classic and 3 that we change according to the Danish season. The 3 classic are the marinara, margherita and granata.
Surt has a signature style of pizza. It's really unique. We've never seen anything like it. The crust is extremely thin on the bottom, but still fluffy and bouncy on the side. It has a great structure and a great flavor. If you like our work, support us on Patreon, where we also have a food community called The Hungries. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more food and travel videos. And be sure to follow us on Instagram at Andershuset and Carnivore. Thanks for watching!